Oh, fuck.
What's up, dude?
Fucking rent's due. Do we have the Pepes?
Let me check my wallet. We're out of Pepes.
Fuck! How the fuck are we out of Pepes? Rent is due. What did we spend it all on?
Don't you remember? We spent all the Pepes on booze.
Oh Jesus! Look, I'm sorry. We'll have the Pepes on Monday. I swear to you.
Yeah, I've been working the streets. We'll have your money.
Yeah, he sucks good dick. We'll get it to you. I'll have your Pepes or food. Alright, fuck. This will. First one is octopus.
Wow, fuck me! Please be something not octopus. It's gonna be oysters. Oysters!
Octopus, oysters, tapatio.
That makes everything better, but it's still the worst thing
That's
ever.
not actually bad. I don't mind this.
Okay, yeah.
Octopus.
This is the worst.
Boiled oysters.
Boiled and canned.
And tapatio. Oh god! Fuck!
Such an answer.
What the fuck? Nutmeg! Jesus Christ! Christ. Oh god. That's all oil.
Oh my god. Oh, it's even worse than the octopus.
Let's do.
Now this shit. It's fucked up.
Yeah,
It's growing.
well, it was in a
green
can
stuff.
anyway. Don't worry about it. Then, fucking cunt gave us nutmeg. That's fine. Smoothie.
Yes. Let me smell that. God. It's like sea ketchup. It smells like sea ketchup. It's fucking sewage.
This is like the worst thing about this. It's fucking gonna go down slow. It's not gonna be like a quick
Yeah, you
shot.
can't.
Cheers.
May death come soon. Yeah. It's hot.
It's spicy.
It's very hot.
Oh.
Peanut oil. I was just talking about you.
Mayonnaise.
That looked like poop. Oh, vinegar. Peanut
Peanut
oil.
oil, mayo, and vinegar.
That's like super oily.
Okay. Jesus Christ. Ginger.
Restaurant this way. First just mayonnaise. It's pretty powerful. More ginger. More ginger.
That's a lot of ginger.
And we're good. It looks like a. It kind of looks like a milkshake, like a melted milkshake. Really. I'm sure it tastes like one too.
Let's do it. Ready for this? I opt. You can't do it?
It hurts. It literally hurts.
It's really liquidy, so the mayo kind of dissolved into the vinegar.
Oh god. Oh god.
Basically, when it goes into your mouth, your body rejects you drinking it.
Yeah.
It's like, no, get that out of there.
That's not
You fucking retard, what are you doing?
That's not food, liquid, or anything. You good? Mighty thoughts, man. Alright.
Salt and ice.
Yeah, there it is. Oh my god.
Dude, this is porn.
Oh my god! It's so cold. Fucking burns too. Christ! Oh my god! Fuck! Please! Oh. Wasabi.
Oh, Sprite. I mean, Sprite.
Horseradish.
Oh.
Alright, so we got wasabi, Sprite, horseradish. And we should do.
What did we get?
What?
Instant coffee with the Sprite.
Is this legal? Horseradish. A little bit of wasabi.
Oh my god, that's a lot of wasabi, dog. Jesus. Oh god. Lid. Oh, this shit is horrible.
You got wasabi and horseradish is the first thing to hit your nostrils.
It actually kind of smells like a, you know, like if your vacuum was jammed up and it kept going, you know, like the engine started smoking. It kind of smells like that.
Oh god! It burns!
God help us all. Oh, I can't do it. Oh my god.
Oh god.
Oh god, but okay, I'm not doing this. The fuck I'm doing this one.
This is the best kind of coffee. This is the only thing that will truly wake you up in the morning.
But get your day started.
This is how you jumpstart your engine.
Okay, please help me spin. Spin. Ugh. Oh god. Eggs. Fuck, where's Chris? Ow! 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 Fuck. Oh! Oh!
Banana.
I don't think we can really go wrong with pickle juice.
Top it off with some tomato.
Tomato?
Tomato.
Clamato.
Clamato.
Alright, so we got that.
We have
Curry.
you motherfucker. Portion wise, I feel like maybe you
It's
have.
leaking.
It totally is.
Alright, there's fuck leaking everywhere.
Uh-oh. Production's going a little haywire.
God, that was ridiculous. Alright, anyway, going back to it. Pickle juice again. Clamato to balance it. How much banana should we
Bananas too, not too bad. Yeah, I feel like that'll be good for banana.
got the curry?
How could I forget the curry? Oh my god. Fuck you, fam.
Alright. Here, better. curry. The worst part, it doesn't taste too bad, but when it hits your stomach, things don't mix right.
As time goes on, it gets worse.
I was hoping we get one drink that like, it's like, oh, you know what, it's okay, it's not that bad. But no, everything is disaster.
My body knew it was coming. It's like, wait, I've had this before.
Don't do it again. Last one for. Sour cream.
Oh fuck yeah, give me that shit. What do we got? Sardines.
And milk. I just want to make a note that this milk has been sitting out for like 18 hours.
Dude, you gotta do what I call up. You have to drink this. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Interesting how the sardines completely dissolved inside of this.
Oh Jesus.
I feel nauseous just pouring this. That waft. You know, the taste isn't bad, but it's little pieces of fish you feel going down your throat. And then maybe the chunks of curdled milk.
Alright, let's spin that wheel. Hold on, wait.
Alright. Wasabi.
God damn it, I'm having like PTSD from that wasabi drink.
Come on, you can do it. How does it feel?
Oh my god. Holy shit.
Was that a mistake?
It fucking burns. Swallowed half of it. Oh my god.
It's okay, little buddy.
My nose.
What?
My nose is runny. Not a happy camper.
Thanks for watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see us hurt ourselves more in the future. Oh, Jesus.
I used to be a happy person.
Give it all you got, can't stop now, keep moving. Give it all you got, give it all you got, dance, 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 get on it, take it to the top.